Meaning of Freddie Mercury.
Freddie Mercury.
Freddie Mercury.
Freddie Mercury.
Freddie Mercury. Freddie Mercury was a British singer, songwriter, and record producer, best known as the lead vocalist of the rock band Queen. He was born Farrokh Bulsara in Zanzibar in 1946 and moved to England in 1964. Mercury's flamboyant stage presence and powerful vocals made him a beloved performer and icon of the music industry. He wrote many of Queen's most popular songs, including Bohemian Rhapsody, We Are the Champions, and Somebody to Love. Despite his untimely death in 1991 at the age of 45, Freddie Mercury's legacy as a musician and cultural icon lives on.